Hey guys, I hope you're doing well. Today I wanted to show you one of our newest journals, which is a Gratitude Journal Pro. It's a larger edition of our standard A5 journals that I'm going to show you in a second. I'm going to show you everything you'll find inside this one and also show you what's different from the standard A5 edition. So how did this one come about? The Gratitude Journal quickly became one of our bestsellers with a lot of people saying that they wanted more space to journal. So we came up with this one which has more features and it's a very in-depth tool for daily journaling. So let's see what you'll find inside. To start, it lasts 3 months, and as always you have the morning and evening pages, the daily journaling prompts, self-awareness exercises, and then weekly and monthly progress reviews. This journal comes in B5 size, so it measures 7 by 10 inches, so it's kind of larger than A5, let me see. So this would be your standard A5 journal that we already have, and this is a B5 one. So inside you find 6 sheets of stickers. In the standard edition you had 3 sheets, so it's twice more in this one because there is more space. And they're nice and colorful with rose gold detailing, lots of quotes, lots of beautiful illustrations, really great for decorating. And then you also have the user guide. So with the user guide you have all the instructions on how to use each and every page. And also you have the filled-in examples to inspire you. The journal begins with the title page for your name and contact details, and then you have the daily pages. So this one is beautifully illustrated, and then you have the morning page that has a bit more of a yellow and brown color scheme, and this one's called Morning Reflection, and then you have the Evening Reflections that has a blue color scheme. So every morning you start with your intention for the day and you write down something you're excited about, and then you can list the things you're grateful for. This is great for helping you set the right intention for the day, to start the day mindfully, and also focus on the good things. In this way you train your mindset to be a bit more positive, and actually you make a long-lasting change in approaching your life in a more positive way. That's pretty much what a gratitude journal is for. And here you have the journaling prompts. So the first one is quote of the day. How does it speak to me? So each and every day you'll have a different quote. So for example, this one is the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. It's a famous quote by Lao Tzu. And then you have some space to reflect on it. And then you can see that every following day you have a new quote. So we have a nice collection of quotes focused on different aspects of life that you can reflect on. Then here you have 2 questions that change every single day. So today's are, what does gratitude mean to me? And what are some things in my life that I may be taken for granted? And the next day you have, what is one way I can challenge my mind today? What is one thing I'm grateful for about my mind? So this helps you keep journaling fun, and every single day you can learn something new about yourself. And then for the evening page, you have some space to reflect on how you felt throughout the day, so you can highlight your key emotions for the day, so add a bit of reflection. Then here you can list the best things you experienced today. So once again, this part is great for helping you develop a positive mindset, because you can reflect on your day and find the good things that happen, because every single day we tend to focus on the stressful things that were problematic for us, the things that annoyed us. And sometimes we really fail to acknowledge the good things, which there are. In every single day, however bad it is, there is always something good. So this part is great for helping you focus on those. And here you have 2 more questions that change daily. So today's are, what did I learn about myself today? How can I use this self-knowledge to grow and improve? And then tomorrow's is, what challenged me today and how did I handle it? What can I learn from this to handle challenges in the future? So the evening questions are really great for reflecting on your day and also thinking about how you can grow in the future as well. And then finally you have the I'm looking forward to section, and this one once again is what helps you focus on the good, because it helps you build motivation for the following day and acknowledge that there is something good to be expecting tomorrow. I am also now going to show you the weekly exercises, just some examples. So every week you'll have a different one. For example, here is called Circle of Control. It helps to acknowledge the things that you can actually control, which you can put in here, and the things you can control, helping you realize that not everything is within your control. And those are the things that you can focus on. And for example, here you'll have this one that is called my self-esteem and helps you focus on different aspects of your self-esteem and estimate how good it is. So you can reflect on the experiences that have shaped your self-esteem and the times when your self-esteem was better than it is now, the changes that might have happened that affected it. And then here you can list the character traits that best describe you. And you can add 5 positive, true and meaningful statements you can make about yourself to show you that you actually might be better than you think. And we often tend to focus on self-criticism, and this kind of things help us refocus and realize that it's not really us that are bad, but maybe there are some things that happened in our life that shifted our perception and we became way too self-critical. So with the exercises, I'll focus on different aspects of things like self-esteem, self-love, mindfulness, and self-awareness, helping you work through different aspects of those and build a happier mindset. And then for the weekly review, you have 1 page. So here you can reflect on your weekly wins. Here you can list the habits that you want to follow every single day. And then you can highlight the days when you managed to follow the habit throughout the week. Here you can celebrate and list your highlights of this week. And these 2 are really great for helping you, once again, take a more positive outlook on your life throughout the week and realize that good things did happen this week, and you can acknowledge them on paper. And then these ones are focused on the challenges that you have faced, grateful for, and the actions you will take to make the next week even better. So this one is great for understanding that whichever problems you face, they might have taught you something. And then this one is a small action plan that you can make to ensure that you feel your best next week. And then finally, there is some space for you to reflect on the week and add some extra thoughts that you want to keep. Now let's have a look at the monthly pages. Every month you'll have a monthly review, and you start with the life balance wheel that helps you estimate your well-being in each life area. So you have 8 life areas, starting with personal growth, career growth, mental well-being, relationships, knowledge and skills, fun and recreation, physical health, and social well-being. So you can rate each area from 1 to 10 and color 10 to understand which of your life areas you're doing well in and which of them you might want to improve the following months. And here you can reflect on what was this month like overall. Here you can list all the things that made you happy to once again acknowledge all the good that happened to you, the challenges that you have overcome this month to once again also acknowledge that you have managed to do so much and good things that happen. And finally, how did those challenges make you stronger? And this question is great for helping you reframe your approach to challenges and make them a bit less scary and a bit more like a part of your life. It might be annoying, but also helps you become stronger and better at what you do. And now I wanted to show you what is the difference for the daily pages between the standard and this bigger Pro edition, because I think a lot of you would actually have the A5 size, and I think it might be helpful to see what the difference is. So for the standard planner, you don't have all the illustrations that you have here, but you also still have the morning page and the evening page. So for the morning page, you would have the main goal, and here you have your daily intention. We thought that the intention might be better because we might not always have the exact goal in mind, but you might have an intention for the day, like the things like if you maybe want to be a bit happier or stress out a bit less about the things that you tend to stress out about, you can always add it here. Then here you have the most excited about, and you also have it grateful for, you have it as well. Then here you have the quote reflection, which you don't have in the standard one. And then you have 2 daily questions that change every single day, and you have the same here. And then you have your daily affirmation in this one, and in this one you don't have it. You don't have it because we saw that the daily intention would actually be able to include your daily affirmation or your daily goal, whichever you prefer to see. And then for the evening page, you have the area for you to reflect on your emotions. Here you have some space to add your reflections also in words. Then here you have the best things you experienced, same as here. And then for this one, these 2 prompts repeat every single day. So they help you reflect on the day, but they don't really change. With this one, the prompts do change every single day, as if so it's a bit more fun. And then I'm looking forward to is also staying the same. So the main things that changed is a quote reflection, and then you have 2 more questions that change every single day. And this is intentional to help you learn even more about yourself and to help you reflect on your day in a more interesting way. So that's pretty much it for this one. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any comments or questions, do leave them in the comments below, and I'll make sure to answer as soon as I can. Do like this video if you enjoyed it, follow our channel and press the notification button to see the next time we post a new video. Thank you so much for watching and see you next time. Bye!